Hello folks, I'm LA Little and this is today's short take. Too much of a good thing is not a good thing, and what I'm talking about is that, some of these sectors have been driving this market higher and higher, yet they themselves are starting to run out of juice. If I'm looking at the cybersecurity ETF, for example, this has been a very hot sector. We talked about it back here when it was breaking out. Big push, right? What does it do? Yesterday it goes over, back under, right? This thing's running out of juice. Go over, back under, less volume. That thing's going to try to retrace. Where's it going to retrace to? Well, eventually, if you look at the TA today charts and you look at the support zones, they're pointed out to you here in green. Each of these green areas, those are the support zones. Those are anchored support. They're areas of significance. That's what they mean. The TA Today algorithms go find those for you on a nightly basis and tell you where they are. So the first area of support is right here. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this try to trade in this area first. But after that, it's probably going to come back deeper. Where's the deep? Well, the deep is back into this little congestion area here, and you see the support zone there. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing chop at the top, roll back over after it's done. Looking at it on the weekly, you're over, back under it. If that holds this week, that will confirm that the pullback is probably going to come. If you look here, price points, again on anchored support on the weekly, 30 up to about 31 and a half. If we go back to the daily chart, and let me grab that one again, 30, 31 and a half, where is that? It's right back down into this zone that we were just talking about. That's cybersecurity, that's the ETF there, and that is today's short take.